Today I'm going to show you how you can easily install a blind spot monitoring system on your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. With this new system, if there's a car in your blind spot, a yellow light will pop up in the corner, and then as soon as the car leaves your blind spot, that light will go away as well. The installation is fairly straightforward, and I'm going to show you detailed step-by-step guide in the channel today. If you are into Tesla videos with detailed installation guides and massive discount code, please smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and let's get started. This product was sent to us free of charge by Tesla Seed to review in our channel. They have got massive amount of Tesla products. If we were to click on this blind spot monitoring system, you can toggle between Model 3 or Model Y. If you hit buy now, I'm going to show you how you can save some money. It's just $179 with free shipping. But if we were to put a discount code SHIVATESLA Shiva Tesla, hit apply, then that knocks out $53, leaving you with $125, $30. And this is the affiliate code, so we do earn a very small commission at no additional cost to you, which greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So let's do a quick unboxing of this, and I'll show you the wiring as well as how to do the installation. Installation is rather simple. You have got this indicator, so one goes on the corner right here, the other one goes on the other corner, and then you just have the wire that you are going to route all the way from here through down there and then up to this panel there. That is where we are going to be using a bypass. So this is going to go into the OBD port we're going to plug in. This is going to remain open so you can use other accessories. And then this is just your 12-volt bypass that is also in the side there. Then you just take this USB-C connector that comes from the indicators and then plug it in here. And that's it. That's everything that you get. You can daisy chain multiple accessories with this, like the Enhances product or the T9 instrument cluster display or any other products, because you have this open. You can daisy chain a lot of accessories to that port. So let's get started. So first thing on this process is we're going to pry out this side panel here. Just use the pry tool that they send, and then it just pops out. We've got other connections here already, and then remove this side panel as well. So both of those panels just easily remove. Then undo this weather stripping a little bit, makes your life easier. Now we're gonna go remove this panel. So right here is a plastic push that you can remove, and you can just insert the pry tool and that comes out. So now you can safely remove this and put it away. Now we're able to remove this whole thing. Just grab this panel from the side here, and then this just comes out. There's one more pin you have to remove, which is this guy here. Again, super easy. Now we can put this behind, and then you will see that there's the OBD port. Yours is gonna be a little bit inside. I already have another accessory. So this is the OBD port, and this is the 12-volt connection. Now I already have other products, that's why this is kind of hanging out, but yours would be a little bit inside if you don't have any other products. And then all you do is take this OBD connector and then push it here. So that clicks into its place. Now we just have to do the power, which is you just pinch it in the middle tab here, and while holding that down, you pull the connector out. So that comes off. Now you'll just push this male end in here, and then you'll push this female end here. Now everything is happy. Now you did a whole connection. It's a daisy chain to another accessory, but all of this is good to go. Now we just need to connect to this unit. Next, we're just going to grab this unit here and then take the USB-C from the indicators and then just simply plug it in. Now this is all connected. All we have to do is route this to the top and we're done. If you notice, one of the wire, the indicator is long and the other one is short. The short one goes on the closest side to the OBD, which is this side here, and then the longest one we're gonna have to route on the other side. Depending on which market you are in, you can probably flip that, but that's what we're gonna do. Now just routing the cable. Now to route this left cable that we're gonna take it all the way to the front over there, there's two things you can do. You can either remove this dash altogether, which is super easy to do. We'll just have to prop out the panel on the other side, and then this whole dash comes out. Or if you don't mind maybe some of the wires showing at one point, maybe it won't even show. If you look at it, there is a slit here, and you can just pass this all the way. Just keep doing that all the way if you reach it. If you don't want the installation mess, you can just go through it. Even though it is easy, like, look at that. Like, I'm able to just route this, and it's not even showing. I can hide it right there. So if you just want a simple, you can just do that. Just route that all the way. There is gonna be enough gap because this is such a thin cable It's not like a round cable. You can easily pass that. So you could do that, or you could remove the panel. Let me show you how to remove the panel. Remove the panel, you'll just have to do the same thing on the other side here. You're gonna pry out this piece, and then once you do that, this will come out. Now on some of the models, you may see a screw somewhere here. So you wanna make sure that it's a Torx 20 screw. You wanna make sure that you remove that screw before you do anything. It could be on either side or both sides. Just check for any screws that are holding the dash. Mine doesn't have it. At that point, you just have to push this up, and if you look at it, it comes out. You don't even have to fully remove this. You can just prop it out just a little bit. You can prop it out as much as you want, and then all you're doing is laying the cable flat on this area and then routing it to the other side. Now pass this cable through this little hole here, and then you can just push this dash down. Just align it into its place and you should be good to go. Next is to hide some of these cables in the back and then just push this in. It's a pretty tight fit and you are good to go. Do the exact same thing on this side. The wiring is super short here, just because it is a short run. Now we just have to clean this up. We are good to go. We cleaned up everything, and here's the blind spot indicator. There's one on the other side. Let's test it on the road. So how this works is if there is no car in your blind spot, then that light is not turned on. So there is nothing there. But as soon as the car comes in your blind spot, then that light is lit, letting you know that there is a car in your blind spot. As you can see, that car is rapidly approaching my blind spot, and there is the light. And as soon as it passes, the light goes away, another car comes in, and you'll see the blind spot detection come back on. There you go. There's going to be a car in my blind spot here soon, and it lights up, letting you know there's a car in your blind spot. Another one that's gonna be in my blind spot here soon, and you're gonna see it. Yep. So this was their prototype unit. This was the first unit they ever got. They ship it out to me so I can test it, provide them some feedback. And based on my feedback, they have already incorporated a few changes that you are gonna get on the production version. They're gonna start shipping out the production version starting December 10th, they told me. And the new features they have added is if there is a car in your blind spot, and if you try to put your blinkers, then it is gonna start flashing red. So one more feature that they added. And then another one is if there is no car in your blind spot, if you then put your blinker, then it's gonna flash green, which is typical of the blind spot monitoring system we have seen elsewhere. So they were able to add that feature as well. That is on the production version. I couldn't show it to you today because I don't have the production version. This is the prototype version. They're shipping out to me the production version, or maybe they're gonna send a software upgrade. I do not know, but they did show me that their system works with those added features in there. So the ones that you are gonna get if you order will have those added features as well. So what do y'all think about this product? Your likes, your dislikes, any feedback for Tesla C, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, it greatly helps us with engagement if you were to give this video a thumbs up or comment anything, because it helps us rank higher in YouTube's algorithm, meaning we can bring more and more exciting product like this for Tesla owners. Anything, smiley face, cheers, like some of you always do, thank you. Please continue that. Or just questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below.